nothing more relaxing than the sound of an outdoor water feature.
For those of you who are water lovers and you want to have that kind of tranquil ambiance, you just want to consider a few things when adding this feature.
That's real estate broker Falesha Raquel. She's talking about placement and utilities.
Because you're going to want to decide where you're going to install this, if there is any electrical outlets, if some need to even be run, maybe don't have any. You may have to get all the prep work done before.
Which includes excavation for the basin.
Once the hole is dug, you want to compact the soil at the bottom of the hole to prevent settling after installation. That's very, very important. And connect the plumbing and install lighting.
And then sit back.
You want to enjoy it and make sure there's no leaves or your fountain is not running dry.
With real estate and renovating, and Lottery City News.